name is Dhvanay. Welcome to Animate CC class. Now today we will learn about how to do lip synchronize in Animate CC with the sound. Okay. So see this. I will share it to you first. You can see first. To do this, create a new fresh document. Go to File, New and click on OK. First, I will open Animate CC program. Then I will go and I will create a new fresh document that how to use and do the lip synchronize in Animate CC. Here it appears File, New and click on OK. Okay. Or press Ctrl N and press on Enter key. Now a new fresh document appears here. I will search it as lip sync. Okay. And this is the lip synchronize. LIPSYNC. Go to Google or web and search it as for boys or for girls also. So I will use one boy and I will use one vector, lip synchronize vector, or you search it as like this. I will use this vector, right click, copy, right click, paste in center. It is little bit heavy so that we will decrease the size of this. Then go modify bitmap, press bitmap, click on OK. And then put it outside the stage. Now see, we will move some extra parts here. Delete all the extra ordinary parts. Okay, zoom in and zoom out and delete it like this. Using selection tool shortcut key V. Now see, this is a boy's face. Select this, pull this and keep it inside the stage. Now delete all the intraordinary parts. Even you can also delete this all. I will undo and I will delete it. Okay? Or see, we can also delete from this also. Using lasso tool shortcut key L. Select this and you delete it. Now zoom out the size, press I for erase photo tool. Select the skin color from face and move to the background. Okay. Now you select this and convert into symbol. Press F8 for symbol. Click on OK. Like this. All should be a symbol one by one. F8 for symbol. Okay. One by one, you all convert it into symbol like this. To do, you can also talk with it. Okay. I will undo, not frame. symbol. Press F8 or go to modify, convert to symbol. Shortcut key is F8. Select F8, select F8, select F8 for symbol. Now it's almost done. Keep it outside the stage. Only keep this boy inside the stage and you use as frame by frame animation. Okay? Each 3 frames later you use that frame by frame. Select this using Q, free transform tool, shortcut key Q. Little bit enlarge it, move it middle of the stage, and when this also you can enlarge. Now see, now it's there or not. Using selection tool, shortcut key V, move it here. Yeah, now it's okay. Again, I will enlarge it little bit and I will do. Yeah. Each 3 frames, press F6. First frame, I will use this mouth, selection tool, shortcut key V, move the mouth here actually. This is called as A. Now again press F6, delete it and move one more lip. Okay. Again press F6 and delete it and move one more lip. Okay. Press F6 and delete the extra thing. Okay. Now it's almost done. Press Ctrl, okay, or go to Control menu and click on Test. Now see this, the boy is picking something. Again, I will enter C on which stage, okay? Okay, let's introduce some sounds in that. To do this, use MP4. We learned about link synchronize. Let's put some audio. Use MP3 file. Okay. Thank you. That's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also take video in the Animate CC about link synchronize. Thank you.